Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam Captcha not working. I have a few suggestions, so in this video I will show you them. Alright, so usually Captcha do not work on browsers, so the first step what you need to do here, you can, if you're using Chrome, try to use, for example, different browser. Try to log into your Steam account with a different browser like Opera or Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, whatever, and see if the issue is still there. All right, and if you're having the issue, then I suggest you to clear your browser cookies. So if you're using Google Chrome, you just need to press on the three little dots here and then go to settings. And once you're here, then as you can see, you need to go to performance, privacy and security, clear browsing data, select advanced, make sure it's last 7 days or more, and then make sure that this cookies and other site data is on and clear data. And after that, then try to basically do not use any VPNs or proxies to your PC, because it can cause the problem. And also the last one, you need to go to your computer, and then you need to look for delete temporary files, and here you need to press on this temporary files and tick down, as you can see here, I'm going to wait for a few seconds, and tick down all these boxes except this one, and delete the temporary, remove temporary files, right? And it should work, right? So that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to fix Steam Captcha not working. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.